It's time for Palestinians to have their own state. Most countries around the world support a two-state solution for the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. But the biggest obstacle for this to really happen is the United States. The United States has used its veto power in the United Nations Security Council dozens of times to block resolutions that will recognize a Palestinian state. Along the United States, only 8 other countries refuse to recognize Palestine. On the other hand, 143 countries around the world recognize Palestine, many of them represented here in the European Parliament. I believe the EU should push for a two-state solution and challenge its biggest ally. Now, more than ever, we should act independently from the United States so we stop the genocide of Palestinians and finally achieve a two-state solution.